These guys came here and in 7.5 days tore off the old siding, put the new HardiePlank up, and painted the entire house.
Cedar siding was a great option 60 years ago, but there comes a time when things are ready for retirement.
This house was built in the 60s and it's 2025 and we're just now replacing it. So yes, some of it was rotten, but a lot of it was still in decent shape.
Rot, water damage, looks like it's time to replace. Need another reason?
Raccoons, squirrels, rats, any other crawling critter that we have around here can get on the roof. It's easy to chew on the rotten siding. They're looking for an entry point to get into the house when it's cold out, maybe to have their babies, and they get into the attic.
James Hardie siding is the only siding I endorse for a good reason. There are imitators.
We've seen other products fail after 5, 6, 7, 8 years, whereas this product should last at least 30 and longer.
New siding technology doesn't mean you have to lose that old school charm.
We use James Hardie cedar mill lap siding on the sides, back, and the garage.
On the front?
So we used a combination of James Hardie shingle siding and we used board-and-batten siding. We used a combination of the two to give it a unique look.
My listeners know that James Hardie is only as good as the hands that are installing it.
The biggest issue that Hardie has with warranty problems is the product not being installed properly.
Which is why I only endorse James Hardie Elite Preferred Installers.
Their maintenance for the next 15, 20 years is going to be very minimal.
7 days from start to finish with a 30-year warranty. Advanced Home Exteriors makes it look easy. We know it isn't. That's what makes them a certified Home Show Pro. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.